Hello, I'm in a 2012 Chevy Cruze, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level. So first you open the hood and turn the motor off. We'll find this dipstick, so pull this dipstick all the way out, and then I'd wipe it clean with a good rag or paper towel. Stick it all the way back in, then pull it all the way back out. And on the end here, if I can get it to focus well, there's these grid marks. You want it towards the left of each of these little 4 grids there. That would be where it's full. So if you're getting very close to the right, then you're definitely low and want to get some added. So let's say we need to add some. This is where you're going to add your new oil. Make sure you've got the proper type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic, conventional, and brand you've been using. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But to add, just unscrew this, and then with a funnel or straight from your quart jug, just fill as needed. Try not to overfill as well, because that could cause issues. Then screw this back on nice and tight when you're done. Then I'd start the motor for like 5 seconds or so to circulate the new oil, turn it off, and then repeat the process we did in the very beginning with this dipstick to see if we're full now. And all that said, I wouldn't do any of this in replacement of regular oil changes, which depending on the type of motor, mileage, things like that, you're going to want to do every 3,000 to 8,000 miles or so. And to do those, typically you put the vehicle in a slight lift to get underneath of the oil pan, pull the oil plug, drain all the old oil out. Replacing filters is needed. Screw the oil plug back in nice and tight. And then back up top, add all the oil recommended for your particular motor type for an oil change. Screw this back on tight. Start the motor again for like 5 seconds to circulate that new oil, turn it off. And then once again, repeat the process we did in the very beginning with this dipstick to see if we're at that full mark. But all that said, I hope this is helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.